In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a route or turn off way directions and navigation in Waze. So grab your iPhone and let's walk through this together like you're actually using the app right now. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone and give it a moment to load until you're on the main map screen and you can see your current location. Once Waze is open, tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen. This is where you normally enter an address or place you want to go. Go ahead and start typing your destination. As you type, Waze will show suggestions underneath, so just tap on the correct destination once it appears. When you select it, Waze will bring up the route preview and show you how to get there. At this point, you'll be able to see the route options and estimated travel time. If everything looks good, tap on Go Now to start navigation. Waze will switch into navigation mode and begin guiding you with turn-by-turn directions on the map. Now let's say you change your mind, maybe you entered the wrong destination, you already know the way, or you just don't need directions anymore. While navigation is active, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll see a panel showing your destination and route details. What you want to do here is swipe up on that panel. Just place your finger on it and pull it upward to open the destination details window. Once the destination details are fully open, take a quick look at the options near the bottom. You'll see a button labeled Stop. This is the option that cancels your route and turns off navigation completely. Go ahead and tap on stop. As soon as you tap stop, Waze will immediately cancel the route. The turn-by-turn directions disappear, and the app returns to the regular map view without any active navigation. There's no confirmation screen and no extra step here, it stops right away. At this point, Waze is no longer giving directions or tracking a route. You can stay on the map if you want to look around, search for a different destination, or just leave the app open. If you're done using Waze completely, you can also close the app afterward, but cancelling the route alone is enough to stop navigation. This is really useful if you start a route by accident, take a different road, or decide to stop using directions mid-drive. Instead of restarting the app or letting Waze keep rerouting you, you can quickly cancel navigation with just a couple of taps. If you don't see the stop option right away, make sure you've swiped the destination panel up far enough. Sometimes it only opens part way on the first swipe, so just pull it up a little more until you see the full destination details and the stop button at the bottom. Also keep in mind that simply minimizing the app or locking your phone does not stop navigation. Waze can continue running in the background and may still give voice directions. That's why tapping stop is important if you want navigation to fully end. If you ever want to start directions again, you can just tap the search bar, enter a destination, and tap Go Now like normal. Waze resets instantly and is ready to guide you again. This works the same whether you're driving, parked, or just testing routes. As long as there's an active route, the stop option will always be available in the destination details. So just to go through it one more time in a smooth, natural flow, you open Waze, tap the search bar, type your destination, tap the destination to view the route, tap Go Now to start navigation, swipe up on the destination details, and tap Stop at the bottom to cancel the route. And that's it. That's how you cancel a route or turn off directions and navigation in Waze on your iPhone. It's quick, simple, and once you know where the stop button is, ending navigation only takes a second whenever your plans change.